All right, let's do Ikea, the flat pack giant. Here we go. There's the website. Grab the URL, copy that, go into RapidVisual, import from website, drop that in there, go have a quick coffee and be back in a jiffy. I mean, how long would this take normally? Day worth of a workshop? Business model canvas and all, people talking, blah, blah, blah. Losing my patience is like 3 to 4 minutes to complete an entire business model for Ikea. Start the car, start the car. Do you remember that ad by Ikea? With that beetle? No way. Wow. Okay, we got it. This is the business model of Ikea. And of course, we're looking at democratic design for affordable home furnishings. Ikea delivers well-designed, functioning, and affordable home furnishing solutions. That's all great stuff to family home furnishing seekers, young adults, and individual home stylers. Sustainable living with eco-friendly innovations. Okay, cool. They make sales of furniture and home accessories, franchise fees, food and restaurant sales. That's a big one. Who hasn't been to Ikea for a nice hot dog for €1, right? Rental and property income and online sales. Rental and property income. Ikea sees supplementary revenue from rental income on commercial properties it owns or manages as part of its real estate holdings. Wow, I had no idea. First, let's go through the business model roast. Let's look at viability. Sure, Ikea isn't losing billions every quarter. It's a massive cash cow with diversified revenue, but the model still relies on burning cash in giant stores, sustainability and R&D, and digital transformations that haven't been proven to pay off. Without new levers to boost margins or cut OPEX, you're banking on scale alone, aren't you, Ikea? The advice is to introduce paid assembly and interior design services to drive higher pre-order revenue. I mean, come on, who wants to build their own furniture? Isn't that old? Maybe. Pilot asset-light micro-fulfillment centers to slash store operating costs and forge cost-sharing partnerships with last-mile delivery and assembly providers. I like this. Maybe somebody can bring it with a scooter. Monetize digital touchpoints with premium visualization and planning tools. All right, that's pretty cool. There's not a lot we can roast you on, Ikea. I think you're doing pretty well, but let's have a look at how can we build an even higher valuation. I'm going to run the resiliency as a strategy lens. This is Michael Wilkins, expert, AI twin, whatever you want to call it, at work. Let's come back in a second. Personal relationships. Relationships today are primarily digital and transactional. Loyalty program, personalized marketing, after-sales support, no dedicated account management or multi-level engagement. Well, that's true. There's no real professional relationship structure to build deep personal connections. Segment your highest value customer cohorts and assign dedicated relationship managers. Will that be interesting? Can you imagine having a dedicated relationship manager at Ikea? I mean, it would kind of increase their customer service and maybe your loyalty too. And co-development. What's the rationale here? So then we have no evidence or structured customer collaboration in product development or financing. Fair enough. Establish formal co-design sessions with target customer groups. So could Ikea be asking you what the next furniture could look like? Now that's something. Okay, that's pretty cool. What else can we do here? They're a pretty good model, but let's have a look at what the customer segment looks like. Family home furnishing seekers. Let's have a look at what they look like. 25 to 55, all genders, blah, blah, blah. We'll just accept what the AI suggests here and have a look at their persona. So it could be anybody. You can pick anybody you want and go, okay, let's have a look at what their persona looks like. Let's go back to the business model for a second. And let's have a look at what else could they offer. So this is the interesting part. Maybe you can improve the business model, but what if you came up with an additional value proposition? So the question is, with everything the AI knows about Ikea right now, what would the AI suggest as a new offering that Ikea could actually consider? Let's have a look. Smart home integration, furniture with built-in smart technology for automated home control. They're kind of already doing that, a little bit of that. They have some smart home stuff that I've seen at Ikea. I don't know if they integrate fully. Furniture rental services. Yeah, that could be interesting. Can you rent Ikea furniture from Ikea? Then the question is, who's actually going to set it up for you? Maybe you. Emergency and disaster relief kits. Why not, right? I mean, it's portable. Why not? I think you get the point. Furniture with embedded solar panels. Come on, this is great stuff. You can just click there, put it in, keep on working on your business model, and then make the business improve even more. There we have it. Okay, so should Ikea stay as it is, or should they explore other potential value propositions like furniture with embedded solar panels or renting out furniture? I don't know. What do you think? What other business would you like me to rapid visual next? Drop that in the comments. Next time.